Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add a post as a favorite on Instagram. So here I've already on my Instagram, and if you like a certain account or a post from a certain account, you can make that as your favorite, and I'm gonna show you how. And you can do just that in your homepage right here. For example, I like this post from this account and I want to add it to my favorite. So what you can do is you can just click on the three dots icon at the top of the post, and here you'll see the option to add two favorites. So just click on that, and now the post will be start like this. And if you want to add another favorite, you can just find, for example, I want to make this post as my favorite. You can just do the exact same step, click on the three dots icon and then click on the add to favorites. And if you want to set the favorites list, you can just click on the start, and here this is the favorite post. So new posts from your favorites will appear higher in feed. So for example, I previously made the Just Jared as my favorite, so the post from Just Jared will be appear at the top of my feed like this, at the first that appear on my feed. And if you want to manage, you can just click on the start here and click on manage favorites, and here you'll see you can just add the account to your favorites manually like this. You can just search the account and then click on add, and after that it will be on your favorite list in like this. Okay guys, so I think that's all. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to our channel. See you at the next tutorial. Bye bye.